Hey everyone, this is my motorized bicycle. This bicycle I made entirely out of parts I just had laying around here. Like this engine is an old Ice Auger. I decided to use this engine because it comes with this nice little gearbox, which gears it down to just about the perfect speed for this purpose. Now the throttle here is just a wooden stick with a piece of fishing line tied into it. It's simple, but I guess it works. Now how I mounted this engine is up here. This is the original handle, and I just welded it to this little cross base, which is welded to the frame. And then down here I made this bracket, and then there were two threaded holes in the bottom of the engine. They were originally 1/4, but those bolts kept getting sheared off, so I drilled and tapped it for 3/8, and that seems to work well. Now this engine actually runs really well, especially since it was just sitting around for probably 30 years. So I'm really happy with how it works. Now it's belt driven. How I mounted this rear pulley here is I drilled a hole through the center, and then it's zip tied to the spokes. Now I probably should use U-bolts or something like that, but this works fine for now. As for speed, this probably goes about 10 miles an hour or so, which I could get it to go faster if I used a larger pulley up here, but I'd be afraid that I'd burn the engine up or destroy the clutch, so I probably won't do that. Now the gas tank is the original gas tank. It's zip tied to the frame. This thing uses gas really quickly, so I'd like to put a larger gas tank on it, but I don't have one. So the headlight is an old tractor light. It's powered by this DC motor, which I'm using as a generator. It's just friction driven here, and you can really tell when you turn this on that it sucks a lot of power out. Probably at least 3 mile an hour difference from off to on. Now that's all there really is to that. So let me open the door and turn it on, and I'll